Welcome to Dropshipping 2.0. If you think dropshipping is dead, then you definitely need to stick around. Because today, I'm going to show you how you can build your own money-making online business in 2025 using modern ways, smart tools, and a super clear step-by-step guide. A lot of people think dropshipping is over, but that's not true. The old ways are gone, but now a new time is starting. Getting customers? Use TikTok for viral videos and Facebook for targeted ads. Dropshipping 1.0 at AliExpress doesn't work anymore. Today, you need branding, fast shipping, automation, and keeping your customers. Meta Ads Manager for finding your audience, and Klaviyo for automatic emails. Marketing funnel, TikTok ad, Shopify store, Let shopping cart, email reminder. Set up your Shopify store. Create a logo and make a nice product page. Bonus, plugins like Reconvert, Klaviyo, and Reviews.io. Forget AliExpress. Use platforms like Zenrop, Spocket, or Printful. Look at ads with tools like Dropshipping and test products yourself. Find a good niche. Check out trends in TikTok Creative Center and bestsellers on Amazon or Etsy. Checklist. Do people buy it? Good profit? Can you brand it? Dropshipping 2.0 is real business, smart systems, and hard work. You are a brand builder, a marketer, and a business owner. Start with a niche. Get good quality products and make a store people trust. Use real marketing and automation to grow. Focus on information, how customers feel, and always making things better. The tools and knowledge are there. Success depends on taking action. The future of online selling is in your hands. Start building your brand today. When orders come in, automation keeps you sane. Supplier apps handle the fulfillment and automatically send tracking info to customers. You can focus on marketing, customer service, and growth. Use Shopify Analytics to track bestsellers, traffic sources, and conversion rates. Double down on what works. Scale ad budgets, improve product pages, and expand your product range. As your business grows, consider hiring customer service help. Invest in custom packaging or even your own inventory to gain more control. Smart automation and data-driven decisions fuel your growth. Scaling means optimizing, reinvesting, and building a brand that lasts. The sky's the limit when you're always getting better. Your shop is live. Now you need visitors. TikTok is great for getting seen naturally. Make short, real videos that are fun to watch or help with problems. Show your product in real-life situations. Use trends and keep it fun. On Facebook and Instagram, run video ads that speak to your perfect customers. Use retargeting to reach people who visited your website but didn't buy anything. Offer a discount to close the sale. Collect emails and set up automatic messages to welcome new people and get back carts that were left behind. Regular creative content and smart ads, you bring more people and more sales. Meet your customers where they are and speak their language. Marketing is where your brand comes to life. Here are the part 1 of the top 10 tasks to build a dropshipping 2.0 business. Stay tuned and don't miss part 2 and a sum up at the end of the video. Now, let's build your online store. It's like your brand's digital home. Shopify makes it super easy. Pick a theme that fits your brand and then make it your own. Use Canva to design a logo and banners and to edit product photos so everything looks consistent. Write clear product descriptions that show what's good about them. Don't just copy what the supplier says. Use great pictures and videos to show your product in action. Add important pages like About Us, Contact, Shipping and Returns to build trust. Install apps for email marketing, loyalty programs, and product reviews. Connect your supplier's app to make order processing automatic. A professional, easy-to-use shop builds trust right away. Focus on making the shopping experience smooth and trustworthy. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to choose your products and suppliers. Forget AliExpress. Modern dropshipping uses platforms like Zenrop, Spocket, and Printful for trusted suppliers and quick, local shipping. Pick products that fit your brand, solve a problem, and have a wow factor. Look for items that are unique, look good, and are easy to ship. Always order samples to check the quality and shipping speed before you sell. Test the product yourself. Does it meet your standards? Is the packaging good? Good suppliers and great products are the backbone of your brand. Don't cut corners here. Your reputation depends on it. Fast shipping and quality control set you apart from the old dropshipping way. Build trust from day one. The right niche is the foundation of your business. Don't go too broad. Find a passionate, specific audience with unique needs. Use tools like Google Trends and TikTok to spot trending products and figure out what gets people excited. Look at Amazon bestsellers and Etsy bestsellers, but think about how you can brand or reach a subgroup better. Validate your niche. Is there a clear audience? Can you make a healthy profit? Does it have branding potential? The best niches solve real problems or stir up strong passions. Avoid generic products. Look for something that sparks emotions and builds community. Take your time. A well-chosen niche paves the way for long-term success. This is where your journey truly begins. Dropshipping 2.0 is all about building a brand, not just a store. You're not just some faceless middleman. You're creating a unique identity and experience. Fast shipping is now the norm, thanks to suppliers with local warehouses. Automation tools handle orders and talking to customers, giving you the freedom to focus on growing your business. Keeping customers happy is super important. Use email marketing, loyalty programs, and amazing support to turn buyers into big fans. Treat your shop like a real business. Invest in great-looking visuals, clear rules, and professional service. Focus on branding, fast shipping, automation, and keeping customers happy to build a strong online brand that lasts. You've probably seen the headlines, dropshipping is dead, but that's just not true. The old way, selling cheap generic products with slow shipping, is over, and that's a good thing. Dropshipping 1.0 was about making quick money with little thought for customers or brand. This model created distrust and a bad name. But now, the market has grown up. Customers expect quality, fast delivery, and real brands. This is Dropshipping 2.0, building a business with real value. Not just chasing trends. It's about creating a brand that people trust, offering products that solve real problems, and giving a great experience. The rules have changed, but the chance is bigger than ever for those ready to adapt. Forget the myths. This is your chance to build something meaningful. Let's dive in and learn how to win. Let me summarize why you should start Dropshipping 2.0, the smarter, modern way to build a profitable brand online. Low startup costs. You don't need inventory or a warehouse. You only pay for products after you've made a sale. That means lower risk and higher flexibility. Quick to launch. With tools like Shopify and automated supplier systems, you can build a store and start selling in just days. Highly scalable. No need to hire staff or rent space. As your sales grow, your system scales with you automatically. Brand focused. Unlike traditional dropshipping, this model focuses on quality products and real branding. You're not just selling stuff. You're building a business people trust. Automation and freedom. Most processes from orders to emails can be automated. That gives you more time and freedom to grow or enjoy life. Real income potential. With the right niche and strategy, earning 4 to 5 figures monthly is realistic, even for beginners. Here are the part 2 of the top 10 tasks to build a Dropshipping 2.0 business. Let me know in the comments below which method you want to see next about how to make money online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.